right? You didn't.
Yeah, like I forget to
you
feed
forgot.
it, or the water
You killed it for
temperature gets
fun.
too low.
It's different.
Oh, that's serial killer behavior.
No. So bad.
Hey, Suzanne, how are you? You there?
Hello, Suzanne.
Hello, everyone. I miss you all. How are you, my friends?
Hello, how are you,
Yeah.
my friend?
Hello.
I am fine.
Good.
How are you?
Good. Doing all right.
Good.
Yeah,
Doing well.
everything's okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, God.
We're all just hanging out. I'll tell you what, it's been quite a while since I've seen Eileen, Suzanne, Ben, and Sarah and Hannah in the same room. Probably a long time. You guys show up always at different times.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Today is day off, so I am at home. And I saw your VR, and then I entered.
Yeah. What time is it? 2 a.m., so maybe 9 a.m. there, noon? No, 10. Let's say 10.
In my country?
Yeah.
Actually, oh no, it's 11 o'clock. I don't know, is it morning or... Yeah, it's morning, I think.
Oh. No, my place is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. afternoon.
But like, for some people, 11 is afternoon. 11 o'clock is afternoon. I don't...
How was 11 afternoon?
You want to say evening?
No, like 11. It's right before noon. Noon is like.
No, it's morning.
No. Ben's right, Suzanne. Like, because 12 o'clock, right?
Yes.
12, that is noon. So the word is afternoon, right?
Oh.
So therefore it can't be before noon, because by definition it's afternoon, right?
Yeah.
So 11 o'clock would just be like a late morning, right? You would just say like a late morning. Yeah.
But it's not like morning. I don't know. Is
No,
it
it's
morning?
not morning. It's like late morning. Like, that's a time where maybe you could eat brunch, right?
Yeah, brunch.
Like a breakfast and a lunch, yeah. But it's just not the afternoon. Because afternoon, it does have to be after 12, right?
Oh, yes, okay.
Yeah. But it's fine. All understandable, my friend. Anything new, Suzanne? Same, or anything new?
Yeah, same.
Is that good or bad?
But sometimes it's good.
Yeah, that sounds like life. Sometimes it's good.
Yes. Like an old granny, I don't want to change my situation.
Yeah. Change is scary.
Could be exciting.
And scary.
If you want to put it that way. I don't want to say scary.
No, it is. How do you think these words work, right? So imagine like you're going bungee jumping, right? That's exciting. Why is it exciting? Because it's fucking scary, right? Like you ride a roller coaster, that's exciting. Why is it exciting? Because it's fucking scary, right? Like exciting literally is meaning that there's some kind of fear level in there.
Fear and joy, I think. Fear and joy together. Who's a
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little bit. Yeah, it could be both. Fear and joy.
Fear and the joy.
Yeah.
Associates together.
Like your birthday party can be exciting because that's because you're happy, right? Or like bungee jumping can be scary because can be exciting because it's scary. So, but what we're saying is that it's tied to joy and fear, right? That's what makes things exciting. If it wasn't joyful and it wasn't scary, then it's probably not exciting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Joyful. Yeah.
Makes sense.
You guys make me want to go to the Halloween night.
Well,
Get a bunch of people scare me off.
I love Halloween. We celebrate it, but some religious people criticize. They say, we are the first free Christian nation. How dare you celebrate it?
Wham. Yeah, I think, you know what would be a good idea, right? I think that every one of us on Halloween, right? And we'll time it for like, we'll time it for American Halloween, right? So in China, it'll be the morning. In America, it'll be the evening and night. We should have like a Hello Talk Halloween party, which we'll all go to live and everybody has to be dressed up. You have to have your Halloween costume on. I
Go
did
live
last
is
year.
fine, but dressed up is the problem.
I dressed up last year. Yeah, you remember. I dressed up last year.
Yeah,
Anthony,
I do
I'm
remember.
not mistaken. You was a
Yeah,
Joker.
Joker.
Yeah. My hair's too short to be the Joker now, though.
Anthony, who is your favorite Joker?
Jared Leto.
Yeah, right.
I don't love him. I don't know why.
Mine is probably definitely Heath Ledger.
Oh my
But,
gosh, I admire.
Yeah,
Yes.
but second is probably, well, it's kind of messed up because I think the new Joker, right, like with Arthur, I think it's amazing. But then the second one, they made a musical and it was fucking stupid, right? So I think he's a great Joker in the first one, but I think the second one is awful. So, but I still like him as the Joker. He still did a good job.
The actor died, right?
Heath Ledger
Jared
did.
Leto, yes. Jared Leto, yes.
Ledger.
No, not Jared Leto.
No, Heath Ledger, sorry.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I need Jared Leto, I don't know why.
We wish it was Leto, but it was Heath Ledger. Yeah.
Matilda. Yeah, I heard that her name.
Heath Ledger literally probably part of the reason he died because of like drug overdose, but like he was a perfect Joker. He was so like he was perfect. He would have been the greatest Joker for the next 20 years, but unfortunately, he got a little too much into the character and ended up dying.
Yeah. Even Joaquin Phoenix, when they gave him Oscar, he mentioned the name of Jared Leto.
Oh yeah.
Heath Ledger, why is that Jared Leto? I don't know. Yeah.
I mean, I don't think, to be honest, I don't hate Jared Leto, right? I think that the reason he is so hated is because the Joker version they made him play was absolutely stupid, right?
Yeah,
Like tattooed up, skinny, green hair, but short, right? Like they just made it bad. And it's not his fault, but because of that, nobody likes him.
Short
And what
hair.
about Batman? Like Christian Bale, I love him so much.
Yeah, he's okay. I like the Batman, whichever ones in whichever the Heath Ledger Batman, right? I forgot what his name is, but that's my favorite one.
Ben Affleck.
Ben Affleck? Yes, Ben Affleck. But Christian Bale also, I love him. Do you love Ben?
He's good.
Yeah, Ben Bale is a great actor. Yeah.
I think he was definitely better than dude from Twilight.
What's his name? Robert Pattinson.
Robert Pattinson.
I do like Pattinson's Batman. He's a bit emo and a bit teen angst.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's my Twilight guy.
Yeah, but I do like him yeah.
Jacob's better.
Now, I hate werewolf. Smelly.
Boo. Jacob's better than Edward. The werewolves were way cooler.
They have to, I don't know why they always have this setting like so weird, and the clothes must be, broken, torn up, or what. Then they turn to be a dog. Like when they change back the time, then are they naked or what?
Probably.
How come the clothes just magically dressed up? You see,
because it's a movie. But,
I know, but
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I still like the werewolves more than the vampires.
No, vampire can kill werewolf. Okay.
And werewolf can kill vampire.
No, who said so?
It happened.
I don't know.
If you saw the finale, right, of the fight that she imagined how it would have played out, right? Lots of werewolves were ripping the heads off of vampires and throwing them into the void. Like they were getting fucked up too, but they killed a bunch of vampires. But then it was all just a vision. And then that which kind of pissed me off, because that was my favorite part of the whole series was that fight. I loved that fight, and then they're like, "No, it wasn't real. It was just a vision." And I'm like, "What? Bullshit."
Twilight. I think most of the guys will think this. Twilight is just like chick flick. Yeah.
It is, but like
you still watch until the end of the episode, then okay. No matter how bad it is, then you watch until the end, okay?
Yeah.
I just don't like the fact that it's a vampire movie without any blood.
Yeah.
It's a love story, guys. Hello. It's a romantic love story. The vampire fall in love with a human. That is the story goes.
Literally every vampire movie is a love story.
Wow.
Except for maybe Nosferatu. That one's less of a love story. But ever since Dracula, every single one is a love story.
Because I think vampire was perceived to what kind of attract those women, then suck their blood or doing some stuff like that, associated with evil things.
Sounds so hot. No, I don't know. being objectively fair, right? Like, because Twilight's not made for a 35-year-old man, right? I will say that I found Twilight very entertaining at times, but there were certain ones, I don't remember, like Twilight 2 or 3 or whatever, that were like just straight up, just boring ass chick flicks. There was like no fighting. But every time, like, it was serious and they were fighting and like, I liked it. I liked about 50% of it and found it entertaining. There was just way too much filler of, like, love story, and I did not like that part. But it was okay. Just too much, like, chick flick in there. Too much, like, drawn out bull crap.
Yeah.
The people who love the...
Sorry,
it's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ben. It's fine.
I finished.
Oh.
People who love Twilight, and they also love Vampire Diary. Actually, they came out like almost the same time.
I've never seen.
I love Vampire Diary too. There are a lot of fightings.
It has more blood.
Is it serial or a film? Because I never heard about this.
It's a series. It's a series.
Oh, serious. American or Chinese?
American.
American.
Oh.
China don't go around making vampire movies. It's against policy.
Ah,
Against
okay.
policies? I don't know about that. Why?
It's
Just watch
superstitious.
V for Vendetta. That's all you gotta watch. Shawshank Redemption, V for Vendetta, and Schindler's List.
Shawshank Redemption is good. Good movie.
Schindler's List?
Never watched. What is that?
How dare you?
It's about World War II.
It's like Nazi
Yeah.
movie or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Schindler's List is amazing.
About a Nazi. It's a real life, based on a real life story about a Nazi officer saving the.
Yeah, he was like sympathetic. Yeah. It's a great movie. Shawshank, obviously great. V for Vendetta, that's great. Other top movies like Green Mile, that's usually rated really high.
Green Mile.
I love Imagination Game as well.
Yeah.
I loved it.
Imagination. This sounds familiar, but
Yeah.
I'm just
It's
thinking
about-
of like the top movie ever rated.
Wow. I don't know.
Oh, Ben, I watched Man on Fire.
I'm the one who told you that.
But that Taiwan was here also. Oh, that movie was great. I cried.
I was here too when you guys talked about that one.
Yeah. I'm the one who told you to watch that, Eileen.
Yeah, I know. You were the one touching. Yeah.
It's great. It's it's amazing. I told you would cry too.
You told me that? I cried twice.
No, I told you would cry. It's actually a really fucking sad movie, but it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's an amazing movie.
Wait, which part of Man on Fire will make a person cry?
When he sacrifices himself for the girl.
When he got shot like I don't know how many times. Then